What I'm going to show you in this video is how to turn this job, where is it? Over here. This job you see behind me, okay? This is a job, it's a brand, it's on the marketplace right now. Someone could apply to this job and get hired. It's a real job with a real company. What's crazy is they're trying to hire a human to do this job, okay? So what I'm going to show you right now in this video is how you can, without knowing anything, turn this job into an AI system, apply to the job, and then pitch them and actually land this. Now, I've done this with a ton of other clients in the past. I'm actually working on this one right now. So what I mean by this is, first of all, this is a job for a brand manager position. Okay, so we take the description here of this and we copy the whole description, the job description here, okay? We just copy that over here, copy, right? Copy. And then we'll come over to ChatGPT. And then what we're going to say is, how could and should this role, and then I put the website in there, be turned into an AI system as much as possible instead of hiring. I totally messed up on that. But anyways, and then you paste in the description, and then AI figures out what you're trying to say because you don't have to be super smart when you're trying to prompt it. You don't hire for this role, you install it. And then literally what it does is tells you exactly how this job, I don't know why these businesses just don't do this themselves, okay? It tells you how this job should be an actual AI system, all right? It goes through exact thing. So number one, AI scrapes all this stuff and then does something here and then outputs these here, right? Boom. And that does 50% of this job. And then AI goes through here and then AI goes through here and then AI goes through here, okay? Now, you don't even have to read any of this. How and why don't you know, why don't you have to read this? And then why don't you have to know anything? Because you can literally just take this here, boom, copy the whole thing that it just told you, all that stuff. You can download this tool here called Google Anti-Gravity, and then you literally can just paste all of that in here, and then it will go and make it for you. Okay? Now, obviously, you need a bit more technical knowledge to be able to pitch these guys, to be able to get $5,000 to $10,000 a month to be able to build the system out for them. But these are the processes that it takes to actually create and do this, which is not that hard from what I'm showing you, okay? Because Google Anti-Gravity, this I'm showing you right here, will make everything for you. So this is actually creating a proposal page for me. Okay, that's cool. But it will actually go and create the whole system that it's talking about as well. So there's more details on how to create the system, obviously, but as far as being able to pitch and get a job, I guarantee you, if you are smart enough to understand sales, you don't need to understand how to technically make any of this stuff. If you can land these clients, you can go find someone else to make it. All you need to do is talk to AI and tell it, hey, okay, now how should I pitch this to them? And then it literally tells you how to pitch it to them. Okay, what should I say next? How should I do it? And then AI will get on the call with you even if you want to and pitch it with them. The money is finding these opportunities, which are people that are still hiring humans to do a job that a system really needs to and should be doing. Now, there's always a human that needs to oversee the system, but these jobs are 100% system focused, all right? So I'm just saying this is probably the greatest opportunity in what we got going on right now in the AI gold rush and all that jazz. So you should jump on this as fast as possible and start making this happen. The way to really pitch this more is I use Notebook LM and come in here and I'll paste in the whole pitch, and then it will actually create slides for me that I will then take and then go over here. So this is my Indeed resume, which has a bunch of stuff that is all real and true. You could say all this stuff too, because technically anyone can do this now if you just talk to AI and tell AI to do it for you. It's crazy, okay? I do understand what all this means, to be honest, and I can actually do all of this as well. So I've been doing this for 15 years. But anyone does have the ability to come in here and be able to do this. So that is my resume, just so you can understand what I'm doing. So I come and I'll apply to a job, and then they will reply back and say, hey, thanks for applying. We're in China. We're 12 hours difference. When can we talk? So they want to talk. And then I'll reply back saying, hey, I'd love to talk. Here's what I'd love to do for you is build you out this whole thing. Then send them this PDF here, which is a whole breakdown of exactly the system and everything like that. And then go back and forth. And this is a free way, 100% free way of, number one, getting a job that is highly qualified, that almost no one can do or knows how to do. And honestly, you can't really go learn this in college, which is crazy right now. So you could easily start doing this if you understood hustling and sales, not lying, but hustling and sales, to where you can go out here and just crank out applications and then turn these applications into a client, because they actually need this. It's not doing a disservice. It's actually helping this company out, because if they hired a person that didn't create a system to do this, then dude, they're gonna be backtracking. Their competitors are gonna win. I guarantee it. All right. Let me know if you have any questions about this or anything. I have a private coaching program where I'm working with students to actually do this. It's not cheap. It's $1,000 a month. If you're interested in being able to do this, I can definitely get you in there, and then we can get you going. But let me know if you're interested in joining, or if you have any other questions about this. Thanks so much for watching.